RCMP and red surge, mounted riders, and an orange triceratops. Where are you? Small town parade in Canada, of course. These traditions we missed. Welcome to my channel, the home of videos for dailycreatives.com. My name is Christine, and we are traveling the world as a digital nomad family. We have been to many amazing places, from Barcelona to Bangkok, ancient ruins of Cambodia to modern Croatia. We were denied boarding, a plane bound for Cape Town, and drove a Renault Kangoo 7,000 kilometers across Europe. I have cooked meals in all sorts of kitchens and even done an Annie Sloan IKEA hack in an apartment in Hong Kong. Don't miss any of our adventure or what comes next. Head over to dailycreatives.com. The link is in the description box below. I write new posts about 2 times per week about a variety of topics, including travel, creative ideas and projects, and observations from my life. Don't miss any of it by joining us. As a small gratitude, you will receive 2 free downloads: the World Travel Tested Packing List and Chapter 1 from Fruitless at 40. All the road signs, the radio, the conversations, even Tim Hortons, everything was in English. We started to feel less like tourists. And then we got to go do some of the quaint things we remember from our childhood.
Garden tractors.
our final hours in London and over the weekend when we were celebrating my grandfather's life, I was busy negotiating a contract. I decided some months back that I was going to cover, or I was going to try to cover, maternity leave for Vancouver's largest apparel company. The opportunity popped up on my LinkedIn profile and I followed my curiosity. All along, we knew from August to August that our house would be rented for a year, but we didn't really have plans for the back end of the trip once we got back to Canada. And then, as luck would have it, our tenants decided they wanted to go build their house in Naramata and leave early. So it left us with the opportunity to come home early. Then my contract opportunity heated up. The maternity leave person wanted to go on her scheduled date, and so I was able to start early. Unfortunately, that cut our visit in Alberta short for the summer. I hope you enjoyed the highlights from week 46 in Alberta. Next week is the drive home across the Rockies. Thank you for watching our family travel adventures. Don't forget to head over to dailycreatives.com. See you over there.